Okay guys, welcome back to Ingrid Joy Aromas. Happy New Year again. Hope all is well. Don't know where you're watching from, but good afternoon here in Canada. Could be good morning, good evening. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a belly cream rub. That simply means if you're having a stomach ache, you can use this cream. And also I'm gonna start using my cream starter base today. I show you how in a previous video how I make a face cream. I don't remember what cream is that. I believe it was a skin reduce aging cream, and I use this base. I got it at a manufacturer here in Canada, which they tell you in the back all the ingredients that they use, and I like these ingredients, that's why I got this one. It's not too much to it, and it's unscented. So because it's unscented, you can go ahead and put your oils in it. You can put all your essential oils, you can put your fragrance oil, you can put your vitamin E, your vitamin C, all your different oils. You can also if it's too stiff, you can go ahead too and put some fractionated oil in it. All the different fractionated oil I believe could use in it. There is none right now that telling me you can't use a few drops of this oil in it. I use it and it's fine. It lasts for about a year. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make this belly rub cream, and yeah, it's good for stomach ache and all these different aches in your belly. I mean, if you're going to be using this cream on a child, you have to make sure you down with the essential oil you use. So for example, I'll be using like probably 4 drops or 5 drops of wintergreen. You will go down and put 2 drops. So the amount that you're using an adult, just go down by 2 drops or 3 drops, depends on what you're making, and a child, because a child is skin always more sensitive than an adult. So I'm gonna go ahead again and show you how I make this stomach ache, belly ache cream. Let's get started. So once again, we need one of these little jars. We need a spoon. Also, we need one of this little container here for cream. We need peppermint, wintergreen. We need chamomile and turmeric. Also, we need our cream starter base cream. That means this cream is already made for me. And we need one of this little alcohol solution spray bottle. Also, I have one of this, so I'll be using it. It's a chopstick. You can get a lot of these at a dollar store, and I use a lot of these. So let's get started, guys. First, let me give my little jar here a quick wipe. I already cleaned these already. On previous videos I show you how I clean these little jars here, but I'm still giving it a quick wipe. Alright. And you can see on the inside, this is how, let me show you. This is how the cream is. It's just like, I mean, a face cream. Unscented, no smell to it. And you can see how this is. I mean, if I was going to make a lot of this, I would whip it. I would just take it out, put it into a big bowl, and use my hand mixer to mix it and mix it in very well. But because I'm just showing you a small amount of a little cream that I'm doing today that could fill this little jar here, I'm showing you how I just do it. I mean, I might get a little bit more and then seal this back up. Yeah, you can see how this cream is. It's just like a cream that you get in your jars, like your face cream. You can see how that is, and it's stiff. This is stiff, so you need your essential oils or whatever oils you use in it to loosen this up so it can easily spread. Alright, let me show you what I'm doing right now. So I'm using my piping today. And so I need 5 drops of this. Let me see if this will come out from it today. Nope. My piping is not working. And so for my wintergreen, I'm going to be using 4 drops. peppermint. So for the peppermint, I'm just going to use 1 drop. Stir. This smells like the real pain cream from the pharmacy, guys. This is what this smells like. Tell you, if you could smell this cream, it just smells like the cream that your doctor will prescribe to you at the pharmacy. Alright, and there you have it. You can just do it yourself. Quick and easy way to make a belly cream rub. Thank you for watching.